week's Sepik Mission News headlines. 3 baptized as new SDA church takes shape in Boim, Sara in Yangoru district.
Baimuru Seventh-day Adventist Church initiated the construction of a new church in Boim, Sara village in Yangoru district. This marks a significant milestone as it will be the first Adventist presence in the village, which currently has only 1 member. The church's construction follows 2 successful evangelistic meetings held last year, with a 3rd ongoing under the Revelation of Hope campaign. The project began last week, combining daytime building efforts with evening worship sessions. Recently, the community celebrated the completion of the church roof with traditional soup, a typical Yangoru dish, and a communal feast. 3 candidates were baptized yesterday by Pastor Michael Luce, the SSPM director of Sepik Mission, and 15 individuals publicly declared their faith during Sabbath services. The church is expected to be completed next year, but additional funds and materials are still needed. Local youth participated by raising awareness about the initiative through a march around the village prior to the opening ceremony. Community support remains crucial as this marks a new chapter for Adventism in Boim, Sara.